Hi, I'm Anusha Iyengar and welcome to Bollywood Life. We have one of the most good-looking and funniest TV hosts with us today, Ritwik Dhanjani. Welcome to Bollywood Life.
Thank you, darling. Thank you very, very much.
Ritwik you're now doing Air Zindagi,
Yes.
which is another non-fiction show.
It's actually primarily it's not really non-fiction. It's a fictionized version of real life stories, and there is just a tinge of non-fiction where I come in and break the fourth wall. That is when I talk to the viewers. But it's primarily a fiction show, which is full of stories. तो एक ऐसा शो है जिसमें हम हर एपिसोड में एक नई कहानी दिखाते हैं लोगों को, और उस कहानी का सूत्रधार मैं हूँ. So that's how the show is, Air Zindagi. Yeah.
But then it'll be completely different from what you've been doing.
I mean, I have done things like this in the past. मतलब मेरा एक और शो था, ये है आशिकी, which was on the similar lines of stories every week. But ये अलग है, और अलग क्यों है? क्योंकि हर कोई मुझसे ये सवाल पूछता है कि how is this going to be any different? बहुत ही सिंपल सा आंसर है मेरे पास इसके लिए कि ये जो कहानियाँ जो हम इसमें दिखा रहे हैं आपको, these are not these are of course not going to be the love stories that I've always been narrating in Ye Hai Aashiki. This is different from that shows also because जो कहानियाँ हम इसमें दिखा रहे हैं, they're more relatable, they're more real, they're more आप उन कहानियों को सुनकर ऐसा कह सकते हैं कि हाँ यार ये शायद किसी के साथ हो सकता है, डेफिनेटली हो सकता है. दिस कुड बी यू नो रियल, एंड ये शायद कई सारे लोगों ने एक्सपीरियंस भी किया होता है. तो दिस शोज ऑल अबाउट, एंड इट्स अ स्मॉल सेट ऑफ शो राइट नाउ. आई थिंक इट्स जस्ट गोइंग टू बी देयर फॉर 26 एपिसोड्स. छोटा सा ही शो है. सो 26 एपिसोड्स में हम आपको अलग 26 कहानियाँ दिखाएंगे. 26 कहानियों के साथ हम आपको ये बताना चाहते हैं कि दिस कुड हैपन टू समवन दैट यू नो. और कोई भी कहानी में हम ये नहीं प्रीच नहीं कर रहे हैं कि आप ये कीजिए, आप ये नहीं कीजिए, आप डू द राइट थिंग और डू द रॉन्ग थिंग.
It's just sharing stories.
इट्स जस्ट शेयरिंग स्टोरीज, एंड उसका क्या परसेप्शन है, उसके बारे में आप क्या सोचते हैं, वो आपके ऊपर है.
Okay, but then will we be seeing you in one of those daily soaps again or a fiction
शो? देखिए, मैं सच कहूँ तो मैं आपको इस बारे में नहीं कहूँगा कि ऐसा नहीं कि आप मुझे फिक्शन शो में नहीं देखेंगे, बिकॉज मैं अभी रिसेंटली जैसे हम एज वी स्पीक एक शो की ऐसी बात चल रही थी जो मुझे बहुत मेरा मन था वो शो करने का, बट वो शो फॉर सम रीजंस नहीं हो पा रहा है. एंड तो मैं ऐसे किसी शो की स्क्रिप्ट का वेट कर रहा हूँ जिस स्क्रिप्ट को और जिस जिस कहानी को पढ़ के मुझे लगे यार दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई वांट टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ, एंड लेट्स डू इट. बिकॉज मैं अगर कुछ करना चाहता हूँ तो आई वांट टू गिव माई 2000% टू इट. क्योंकि मैं सिर्फ जस्ट बिकॉज करना है उसके लिए नहीं करना चाहता.
Obviously, yeah. But so in the current lot of TV shows, which is the one TV show that you would really want to work in?
I've said this time and again, and I think Jenny is a dear friend of mine, and I would have loved to work opposite her on Behad. Behad is one of today's abhi ke samay ka, I think one of the very fine and beautifully written and beautifully presented show.
Right.
So I'd love to be a part of something like that.
Okay, and will we be seeing you in any reality shows again?
See, reality is a part of my life. Yeah, I mean that's not going to go anywhere, and I'm sure you're going to see me. Definitely, Super Dancer season 2 is going to come up next year, this year actually, by the end of this year. So yeah, you'll definitely see me somewhere.
If you were offered a part in Big Boss?
I've said no to Big Boss. Like at least I've said not because I don't like it, or not because I'm too arrogant to not do it, but it's just that I don't connect with it. I mean, I don't connect with the thought of that show, and as simple as that.
So what are your expectations from the audience for Air Zindagi?
Well, no expectations from the audiences. Like I said कि मैं किसी को प्रीच नहीं कर रहा हूँ, हम किसी को भी नहीं बोल रहे हैं कि आप ऐसा हमारी कहानियों को देखकर करें या ऐसा कुछ सीखें. I just want to tell them that it's a beautiful show. These are some beautiful stories that are written. I want you guys to just sit back, enjoy these stories, have a look at them, and just like them, even not like them, even hate them, but just watch them and give me a support. That's all that I have to say.
So are there any plans of you getting married this year?
These are your precise question that you've written down. तुम्हें पता था कि ये सारे सवाल मुझे पूछने ही पूछने. No.
Okay.
I'm not getting married, no.
Okay. So we'll do a quick rapid fire round before we end the interview.
Okay.
So I'll just say one word and you have to say the first word that comes to your mind.
Great.
Okay, love,
आशा नेगी.
life,
आशा नेगी.
sex,
Good. Fantastic actor.
superhero.
Ryan Reynolds, Deadpool.
Oh, nice. Nagin.
Moni Roy, always.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And if you had to say something to the audience.
Well, all of you guys who are watching me right now, I just have to say thank you so much for all the love that you guys have been giving me. I just want you guys to please watch the show and give me keep giving me the support that you do as always. I love it and I need it. So watch Air Zindagi, starts 26th of January every Thursday 7 p.m. only on Zing. Zing is the channel to be on Thursdays at 7 p.m. Make sure you watch it and
subscribe to BollywoodLife.com for more.